Christmas in Germany. Where is Germany? Germany is located in Central and Western Europe. The people that live in Germany speak German. Here is a picture of Germany on the map. And this is a picture of Germany's flag. Now let's learn how to say Merry Christmas in German.
German gets a bad rap because a lot of the sounds in German are pretty harsh, or at least for non-German speakers, they can sound very harsh. And that's kind of the case with Merry Christmas. So you want to say Frohe, you can do that with the umlaut out too, but Frohe Weihnachten. Frohe Weihnachten is how you say Merry Christmas in German. If you wanted to make this easier for yourself as an American, you could say Frohe Weihnachten, but that would not be correct. That would be with an ugly American accent. So if you really want to get it down, learn how to say the German R's, which are Frohe Weihnachten, Frohe Weihnachten. And if you want to say it a little bit Americanized, but not so Americanized, you can say Frohe Weihnachten, Frohe Weihnachten. But it's actually Frohe Weihnachten. And a Merry Christmas to you. If you liked this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up below. Be sure to subscribe as we have more helpful videos. German gets a bad rap because a lot of the sounds in German are pretty harsh, or at least for non-German speakers, they can sound very harsh. And that's kind of the case with Merry Christmas. So you want to say Frohe.
When is Christmas celebrated in Germany? Christmas in Germany begins on December 6th. The morning of December 24th is the very busy day when people start putting up their decorations and cooking a big meal. The nighttime is spent celebrating with family and friends. It's much like what we do here in the United States. Here are a few pictures of German traditions. You can see that people in Germany like to decorate Christmas trees, just like we do. And they also like to use really pretty lights. Special foods for Christmas. The traditional Christmas meal features duck, goose, rabbit, or a roast. Germans also like to have apple and sausage stuffing and potato dumplings. For dessert, Stollen is on the menu. It is a famous kind of pastry. And these are what both of those look like. Christmas traditions in Germany. Christmas trees in Germany are very important. Most of the time, the mother decorates the tree at night while the children are sleeping. German people exchange presents on Christmas Eve. And German children call Santa Claus Father Christmas. Let's watch a short little video to learn even more about Christmas in Germany.
Christmas in Germany. Guten Tag, I'm Hans, and I'll be your guide as we travel through Germany today to learn about holiday celebrations. Let's go! In Germany, Christmas celebrations begin on December 6th. Aren't they lucky? Ours do not start until December 25th. This is the night when St. Nicholas comes to leave treats in the shoes of good children and coal in the shoes of naughty children. Sometimes Schwartz Peter or Belsnickel come with St. Nick. Schwartz Peter carries a whip to scare naughty children. Belsnickel dresses in furs and brings a switch or a branch to scare naughty children with. That's different. Many towns have Christmas markets that are open in December where people sell arts and crafts and children can play games. Wow, this looks like a really fun town center. The Christmas tree is a tradition that began in Germany. In German, it is called Tannenbaum. Before electric lights, Christmas trees were lit with candles. Today we use electric lights. That's a good thing, because that sounds dangerous. Candles in a tree. An old tradition is that the day the tree is decorated, the mother of the family sends the children to their rooms while she secretly decorates the tree. When the kids come out, they get to see their beautiful tree for the first time. I bet you put ornaments on your tree, right? The first ornaments came from Germany too. They were made of glass and blown by hand. Today's ornaments come in all shapes, sizes, and different kinds. But I always love the traditional old glass ornaments in my tree the best. Ooh, I'm getting hungry. Let's sample a traditional German Christmas tree, Stollen. Yum! I love this bread. It is filled with nuts and fruit. We also eat roast goose for our meal. Both the Stollen and goose are treats I always look forward to at Christmas. What do you eat for Christmas? Sounds yummy. Some other German traditions include making gingerbread houses and lighting candles on an Advent wreath. Here's the wreath. For Advent, we light a candle each Sunday until Christmas when we light them all. Look, my Oma, that's my grandma, is lighting the first one right now. I also have a special Advent calendar. It has little doors on. Each little door has a treat inside. I open one each day and night. Each night, to help count down till Christmas. Do you like pickles? Well, in Germany, we have a fun tradition of hiding a pickle ornament on our tree. The legend says that whoever spots the pickle will have a year of good luck. Can you find the pickle in my tree? That's a pickle. There it is. Finally, it's Christmas Eve. Let's travel with Santa Claus while he brings gifts to the good children of Germany. There's Santa. There's Hans. Frohlich Weihnachten. Well, it's time for me to go home and see what Santa left for me. I hope you enjoy traveling through Germany with me. Frohlich Weihnachten. I think that's how you say it. Christmas in Germany.
All right, friends, it's time for us to make our holiday craft. I want you to watch this short video of me starting us with our Christmas tree. All right, boys and girls, we're all done with Germany. You should be starting on your craft and finishing up your scrapbook page. Good luck. See you later.